Advancing medical practice through technology, including telemedicine, came into focus in Abuja, with stakeholders in the health sector expressing optimism that Nigeria has the necessary expertise and logistics for it to succeed. Speaking in an interview with journalists in Abuja, former Minister of Finance, Dr. Shamsuddin Usman, said apart from discouraging brain drain, experts in diaspora can also have consultations with patients and perform surgeries in Nigeria through medical technology.
Technology, especially artificial intelligence, is becoming part of our lives now. There's so much progress that is being made. I think everybody now, the average person, educated person, is using some AI app or another. But in medicine in particular, one of the greatest areas of progress with technology and AI is in the medical profession. And therefore, today, doctors rely a lot on technology for diagnostics, even for operation. Robotic operations, for example, are taking place.
Technology is advancing every day, from all trying to better the life of the sick people and even help prevent sickness in many circumstances. So I think it's a critical element. Nisa wants to be at the forefront of it in terms of acquisition of technology, maintenance of technology, even contributing ideas to make technology more accessible.
In healthcare, you must think ahead. Healthcare is technology-driven. Modern healthcare is technology-driven. And like you very much know, modern-day technology transforms on a daily basis. So you can't afford to stand still, because that would effectively means moving backward.